Is it better to buy or rent a home? Hi, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty. Despite what you may hear, there's no single right answer. But don't panic, I'm here to help. Start by asking yourself this one question. Can I afford a home right now? Well, if you determine that buying a home is the better value, you'll want to evaluate your financial readiness. Start by examining how much you have in savings. After committing to a down payment and closing costs, will you still have enough money left over for other expenses and emergencies? Then consider how your monthly budget will be impacted. Remember, your monthly mortgage payment won't be your only expense going forward. You may also need to factor in property taxes, insurance, homeowner association fees, maintenance, repairs. Still, you could find that the monthly cost of home ownership is comparable to renting, especially if you make a sizable down payment. Landlords often pass the extra cost of homeowning onto the tenants, so it's not always the cheaper option. Plus, even though you'll be in charge of financing your home's upkeep if you buy, you'll also be the one who stands to benefit from the fruits of your investment. Every major upgrade, for example, not only makes your home a nicer place to live, it also helps boost your home's market value. Now, if you want to buy a home but aren't sure if you can afford it or not, give us a call to discuss your goals and budgets. We can give you a realistic assessment of your options and help you determine if homeownership is for you.